guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime. I am so glad you are here. We are tackling a small space. So if you feel overwhelmed by clutter and mess and you want simple dollar store organizing ideas and more than that, motivation to get started and declutter, man, I'm glad you made it here today.
RV ready to organize?
You may remember in a previous video, I tackled my friend Amanda's RV kitchen. They're a family of 5 downsizing from their home to live full-time out of their RV. So we came up with tons of easy dollar store solutions. But there were 2 spaces that still remained, their bathroom and the kids' bunk room.
Welcome to the RV bunk room. So this room sleeps 3 kids, all their clothes, all their toys, all their stuff. This is a super small bathroom we are tackling with all dollar store products. 5 people need to use this space, and we want to make sure they can see everything that they have.
Phase 1 is the declutter. And I don't know about you, but I need to give myself a pep talk a lot of times to do this because it can be easy to get bogged down in this step, but it is worth it. Downsizing is hard, decluttering is hard, but ultimately less is peace. And when you start to second guess it, reminding yourself of that can be really powerful. 'Cause I was made to be free. Oftentimes, this takes lots of waves of decluttering, and the first organization system you come up with might not be the one long term, and that is totally okay.
The air conditioner's blowing your hair around.
Ready for my moment.
Isn't this how everyone organizes?
My husband came up with this and I just love it. Instead of asking ourselves what sparks joy, it's really helped us to ask what sparks necessity and what sparks stress.
Because otherwise this is too deep for all of her, they can't ever get to this. This is stressful.
You're about to drown when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day.
Okay, so promise me next time you sit down to declutter, you'll give yourself tons of encouragement, more than you give yourself an opportunity to second guess your choices. You deserve to uncover the space meant for you.
They've got this whole bar. You can use this. So once we let go of those items, we could reassess the space and think outside the box. I went to the kitchen section of the dollar store to get clear acrylic organizers. We distilled it down to only the items that she needs. When it's in motion, this is not going anywhere, and it's really easy to take down and clean. We found this organizer really great for all of those odds and ends, and it keeps them all together in a really contained space. We're gonna upgrade her basket underneath of here to be able to fit things, because if you have a lot of overflow, that's gonna be really challenging when the RV is moving. I also found this organizer for just $5 at Pop Shelf, the dollar store, and this is gonna be perfect for her makeup because it's gonna allow for that visual from above organization. I get so many questions about small spaces, especially spaces that are really deep and hard to access. As you organize, think vertically, not horizontally. Let me show you what this looks like. The kids' drawer needed some extra help, and I knew that a system of baskets was not going to work in the long run, especially as the RV was in motion. So I got creative and used these reusable baggies. You could even use Ziploc bags. These were from Walmart, just about $1 each, and labeled them and put all of the items inside. Take it to any spot of the RV that they're working or getting ready and easily bring it back in, and it's gonna say super organized no matter what. Is there like a slogan for that? Like every day, if it's not for every day, it's in your way.
Did you make that up?
I just did. The additional items we put in this cabinet. These Dollar Tree stackable bins are some of my favorites. I use them in some other parts of the RV as well. And we labeled them for her soap, her dog. She also has some items for emergency. This is right by the RV entrance, and her towels. Uniform folds really helps to keep it looking organized. My favorite trick are these Dollar Tree suction hooks. Now here's the deal. Some of you guys say these don't work. I promise they put these right onto your glass. If you have extra towels, especially if the kids are coming back from the beach, they can hang them in up here because hooks are prime real estate in an RV. This was the space she was most excited for me to tackle. She has 3 kids in one tiny room. So the first thing that I wanted to do was take all of the items out, clear the space, and see exactly what we needed to organize. We decided to clean this shelf out and put in these Dollar Tree baskets. They're one of my favorites. She's got quite a lot of storage in here and we needed to maximize it. Thank you, C3PO. Underneath, we have all of their games, and I really love these Dollar Tree shoe boxes. They're great for kids' systems. And I've got these flex storage bins that I've showed you before. They're $3 from the Dollar Tree, which are perfect for their shoes and additional finds. Now, when it comes to clothes, the biggest piece of advice I can give in a small space is to only keep that season of clothes. So we took additional clothes that were winter and put them in big zip bags. And my favorite containers are these Sterilite bins from Pop Shelf. They're under $5. You can also find them at the Dollar General. They're really sturdy and great for all of those toys. We put some labels on them because those are probably not going to change. And all of the out-of-season clothes are behind them so they can get to everything. And the secret to organized drawers is subdividing and perfecting your fold. Check this out. I think one of my favorite parts was organizing this wardrobe. They had a really great bar in here, and I just went to the dollar store and I got these hangers. What I love about them is they have a rubber grip on them so the clothes aren't going to shift or come off the hanger when the RV is in motion. And they've got tons of extra storage on the bottom for all of their books that are easy to get to. I love these giant totes from Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has a new section called Dollar Tree Plus, and they are only $5. This is perfect for toys, and when the RV's on motion, they can just throw these on the bed. Another great tip so they don't lose their remotes is to put some command strips on the back or some Velcro, and that way they are easy to find, especially when the RV's moving.
Elmo was like looking over your shoulder this one. I think it's probably fine.
You guys, this is how I know I'm organizing for a good family, because Elmo is involved. Lots of Star Wars and Bob the Tomato.
So glad you made it here. If you enjoyed this video and it left you feeling inspired, would you leave it a big thumbs up? That really helps me out a lot. And I want you to know that you are enough. And I am so thankful you made it here today. I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe because I don't want to miss you there. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Seems very close. I got wrinkles, Kathy. We got to work with this. Still need to access. We kept in these cabinets. Oh, Kathryn, what am I doing? What was the joke again?